8 signs you are attractive high-value man. Have you ever wondered what makes some men stand out? It's like there's a secret that makes them really attractive and respected, but it's hard to figure out what it is. We'll look at special qualities that make a man not just cool, but also someone people really value. It's like a puzzle, and we're going to put the pieces together to see the whole picture. Get ready to learn about what makes a man truly special and how you can be one too. If you want a step-by-step guide on how to approach, date, and seduce women, check the link in the description. It's the best comprehensive guide out there. Going back to the video. 1. Confidence. Confidence is the cornerstone of a high-value man's personality. It's not about boasting or being overbearing, but about a quiet assurance in your abilities and worth. This kind of confidence is magnetic. It draws people in and makes them trust in your capabilities. It's seen in the way you walk into a room, how you handle challenges, and even in your willingness to be vulnerable. A confident man knows his strengths and weaknesses and is not afraid to work on them. He listens more than he speaks, knowing that his value doesn't diminish by acknowledging others. This confidence is not just about personal gain. It extends to how you uplift others, showing them respect and encouragement. Remember, true confidence is not about feeling superior to others. It's about being comfortable in your skin and respecting others for who they are. 2. Self-reliance. Self-reliance is a critical aspect of being a high-value man. It's about having the inner resources to manage life's ups and downs. A self-reliant man is not just financially independent. He is emotionally and mentally autonomous. He makes decisions based on his values and ethics, not just on societal expectations or peer pressure. This doesn't mean he doesn't seek advice or help. Rather, he knows when to ask for it, and does so without feeling diminished. Self-reliance also means being responsible for your emotional well-being. Instead of relying on others to make you happy, you find joy and satisfaction in your achievements and inner growth. You are comfortable being alone, using the time for introspection and self-improvement. This trait shows maturity and stability, qualities that are inherently attractive and valuable. 3. Ambition and purpose. Ambition and purpose are what drive a high-value man. This isn't just about climbing the career ladder. It's about having a clear vision for your life and pursuing it with passion. An ambitious man sets goals, both short-term and long-term, and diligently works towards them. He is not easily swayed by setbacks. Instead, they fuel his determination. Having a purpose gives your life direction and meaning. It could be anything from excelling in your profession, contributing to your community, or pursuing a personal passion. What matters is the sense of fulfillment it brings. This ambition and purpose are not selfish. They're about making a positive impact on the world around you. When you work towards something bigger than yourself, you embody the essence of being a high-value individual. Your drive and determination become sources of inspiration for others. 4. Respectfulness. Respectfulness is a key attribute of a high-value man. It's about acknowledging the worth of every person you interact with, regardless of their background or status. A respectful man listens attentively, speaks kindly, and acts considerately. He understands that everyone has their story, and he honors that without judgment. This respect extends beyond people. It includes respecting the environment, societal norms, and different cultures. Being respectful also means acknowledging boundaries, both your own and others. You understand the importance of consent in all interactions and are mindful not to overstep. This trait builds deep, meaningful connections as people feel safe and valued in your presence. Respect is not just a social courtesy. It's a reflection of your character and the value you place on yourself and others. 5. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is a defining trait of a high-value man. It goes beyond just managing your emotions. It's about understanding them and using that knowledge to build strong relationships. A man with high emotional intelligence is self-aware. He recognizes his emotional triggers and handles them with maturity. He's also empathetic, able to understand and share the feelings of others. This empathy allows for deeper connections as people feel heard and understood. Emotional intelligence also involves good social skills, communicating clearly, resolving conflicts constructively, and being a reliable support system. Such a man can read a room and adjust his behavior accordingly, ensuring everyone feels comfortable. This level of emotional savvy makes you a desirable friend, partner, and colleague as you contribute to a healthy, positive environment. 6. Physical fitness and grooming. Physical fitness and grooming are not just about vanity. They are about respecting and taking care of the body you've been given. A high-value man understands the importance of staying healthy and presents himself in a way that reflects his self-respect. This doesn't mean you need to have a model's physique or dress in designer clothes. It's about maintaining a level of fitness that allows you to live a full, active life. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and enough rest are key components. Grooming is equally important. It shows that you pay attention to details. A well-groomed man chooses clothes that fit well and are appropriate for the occasion. He maintains good hygiene and takes care of his appearance in a way that shows he values himself. This self-care is attractive because it's a sign of self-respect and a respect for those you interact with. 7. Reliability. Reliability is a hallmark of a high-value man. It's about being dependable and consistent in your actions and words. When you commit to something, whether it's a project, a plan, or a relationship, you follow through. People know they can count on you to be there, to do what you say you will do. This reliability builds trust and shows that you value your commitments. It also reflects integrity. You're not one to make promises lightly or let others down. Being reliable means managing your time and responsibilities well. You're organized and punctual, understanding that being late or unprepared can affect not just you but others as well. This trait makes you a valued member of any team, whether in a professional setting or in personal relationships. People know they can rely on you, and that reliability makes you a pillar in the lives of those around you. 8. Social skills. Good social skills are essential for a high-value man. This means being able to communicate effectively, listen actively, and connect with others. A man with good social skills is comfortable in various settings, from formal events to casual gatherings. He knows how to start and maintain conversations, making those around him feel at ease. These skills also involve being able to read nonverbal cues and adjust your behavior accordingly. Being a good listener is as important as being a good speaker. It shows that you value others' opinions and are willing to learn from them. Good social skills also mean being respectful in your interactions, understanding and adhering to social norms, and being able to handle social situations with grace, even under pressure. This adaptability and ease in social situations make you a sought-after companion and a reliable friend or partner. So we've talked about a lot of things that make a man really stand out and be valued by others. These aren't just simple tips. They're like a guide to help you become a better version of yourself. Each thing we discussed is important, like being confident, taking care of yourself, and treating others well. It's not always easy, but trying to have these qualities is definitely worth it. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about being the best you can be and being true to yourself. That's what really makes a man attractive and respected. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and watch this one as well. Thanks for watching.